I come from a Navy background. I was an electrician for 8 years. I went to college, did some law enforcement stuff, bounced around from job to job. Nothing really seemed to click, but my father was actually a maintenance mechanic. He actually worked on this stuff for pretty much his entire life, and he mentioned looking into it. I looked at it. It seemed really interesting to me, and I've been loving it ever since, especially as detailed as it's become with the new technology and everything else. It just seemed to click for me. The career opportunities right now I'm seeing are absolutely wide open for literally any single industry that I could hope to work in, whether it's agriculture, aerospace, defense, industry, automotive, literally anything, even with the new technologies like AI, they're being integrated now. The sky's the limit. Even something like the laser, or 3D printing, or programming, it's really busting out right now for machinists. It's really becoming the new it thing I see, and it's just going to be higher and higher demand as it goes on.
I'm a sign language interpreter for Knoxville Center of the Deaf through contracting, and we have a student that's deaf, and they provide interpreting services for his lectures, videos, different aspects, and he's doing a really great job here with the support of interpreters, teacher, and other students. The school and the state and different organizations provide access to communication, for clarity and understanding, and he's doing very well with the help of having interpreters.
What made me interested in machining was I was doing dual enrollment in high school and was doing machining, and I got really interested in it because my teacher at the time was talking about how Tcat and the opportunities that is unlimited in this field. So I was just like, yeah, this is something I want to do, and when I started doing it, I fell in love with it. I've learned how to do the manual lathe, manual mill. I've done the 3D printer, laser engrave, precision grinder. I'm about to start learning on the CNC lathe, and then I'll be moving on to the CNC mill.
Precision is one of the most important aspects that you can have. It definitely pertains to everything that you do in this industry, with final dimensions, your final diameters, just everything comes into one to create a finished product, which is to scale. Easiest thing to do is measure, and calculate constantly so you can get that exact part that you need when you do stuff. That hands-on training gives you that feel for what you need in order to run bigger machines or computer-operated machines. Everything that you learn from filing to your feeds and speeds to running a mill, running a lathe, all pertains to your aspects of CNC work. I see this leading me down a really big path. It's down a big path that my dad went down. My dad now works at Y12. My goal is to get either at Y12 or ORNL, but it's going to give me the hands-on training that I've needed to run a machine like this, to be able to operate one somewhere as big as Y12 or for the government even. So it's a really big opportunity, and training is the most important aspect, and paying attention during your training is what you need to do. And paying attention has gotten me here.